Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a jewelry unboxing. These are one of my favorite videos to film, actually. I just love trying out new companies and discovering new places to get jewelry online. So I got to the items and I'm going to be unboxing these for you guys today. Also, I wanted to get my mom's reaction because this is actually her birthday gift. Her birthday was actually a couple days ago, but I was working nights and she was also working, so I still haven't given her her birthday gift yet. I'm still actually waiting for things to come in the mail. The mail has been really slow these days for some reason, so the rest of her gift will probably get here sometime in May or June. I'm going to be giving this to her later on today. It does come with really cool packaging, and it also comes with like a little greeting card that I can write down like happy birthday and stuff on it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing, actually I'll show you guys this at the end because this is my favorite item that I got. If you guys want to check out Karativa, I will leave all of their links in the description box below. If I have a coupon code with them, I'll leave it in the description box as well, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Definitely check out their Mother's Day items because they have some really cool things for Mother's Day. And of course, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. I already opened this and kind of set it up a little bit beforehand because I just wanted to just get an idea of what the items look like. I was really impatient and wanted to look at them. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very cool, very classic. I really like the black and silver. So that is what the box looks like. And then if we open this, it actually has really, really nice packaging. So it comes out like this. And then your stuff is inside. Comes with a really nice little jewelry box here. So if you are giving this for a gift, this is going to be an ideal gift for you because it does come with a really nice jewelry box. It comes with a little drawstring bag to keep your jewelry items in. And then it comes with this little gift bag that you can put it in as well. Also, it does come with some paperwork here. It does come with a little greeting card, so you can write your little gift message on there. It comes with this little thank you card and care instruction sheet to how to take care of your jewelry. And then, of course, it comes with this little jewelry wipe as well, so you can clean off at the end of the day. Just, you know, good jewelry maintenance, keeping your jewelry really shiny, is to just clean it off after the end of your day. So it does come with all of that. So yeah, it's the perfect gifting idea, I feel like. And then let's get into the jewelry because that is what you guys are here for. So I put this into the box. It does come kind of like outside the box. I did not put it in properly. Like, it's, look at that, that's so funny. But this is actually what I'm giving my mom for her birthday. I'll show you guys what the other item is later on, and this one goes kind of with that. So it does say "You Are My Sunshine" with a really pretty sunflower there. So yeah, their jewelry is just really meaningful and really pretty. I love how shiny the sterling silver is on this one. Like, it's just really, really beautiful. And then the next item, I'm actually gonna wait until Mother's Day to give her, so I just put it in this little drawstring bag for now. And this one is also really cute as well. And this is how it comes. So you can just put it in either here or you can put it into the jewelry box, but this is how they come. They come like in this little baggie with a little tag that says "Don't remove" if you want to return it or anything like that. And this piece is really cute. I think you guys will really like this for like Mother's Day and stuff like that. So this is what this one looks like. And yeah, I'm waiting for Mother's Day to get this one for my mom. And I'm probably gonna like buy her like a plant or something because she really likes plants. So I'll probably just include this with her Mother's Day gift. But for now, I'm just gonna put it in the little drawstring bag and I'll give her the other necklace later on. I will film that because I am about to go out actually right now and get her cake. So I'm gonna be filming, you know, giving her the gift and seeing her reaction. I really hope she likes it. I'm I'm pretty sure she'll like it. She really likes necklaces. She's more of like a necklace person versus like a bracelet and earrings type person. She keeps losing her earrings. Every time she gets an expensive pair of earrings, she like loses them in like a couple days. She really likes necklaces, and then I'll just put it actually in this packaging. I think this bag is just, it's just the perfect gift packaging, you guys. So it's gonna just go in here, I think, and then I'll put the little greeting card in there. It's actually really cute, and I'm gonna give it to her like that. And then moving on to the next item that I got for her, and this is the Forever Love. It says Forever Love on the packaging. I don't know if that's actually what it's called. I was gonna say it's the Forever Love jewelry box. It might actually be called that, but this is the jewelry box, and this is like the best part of the gift. Seriously, it's so cute, and they packaged it really well, so nothing was gonna happen to it. If you are thinking about ordering this and are like worried about it breaking or something, it's packaged really well with this like foamy stuff around it. This is so beautiful. So this is what the jewelry box looks like. I wanted to do this video to show you guys it up close. I was just gonna film her reaction giving this gift to her, but I wanted to show you guys it up close first because everything is just so beautiful, and I wanted to give you guys kind of like an up close and personal look at everything, especially this jewelry box. Like, it's so beautiful. This comes in a couple colors, and it comes in this beautiful pink color as well as a blue. I think the blue one has a red rose on the inside. And then the best part of this is you just pull it open. Put your necklace in there. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna turn that off, but it does play You Are My Sunshine. You can get it in a couple different songs. If you check on their website, you can customize it to your own preference. You can even add your own music to it, which is really awesome. So yeah, loving this jewelry box. I'm really hoping that my mom loves it as well. I think she will. I think it's just such a beautiful, beautiful jewelry box. So that is all that I got for my mom for her birthday so far. Actually, I did get her a sweater the other day. I already gave it to her, so I'm lying. And I got her more things, but it's just gonna come in the mail eventually. As far as jewelry items and stuff I got for her from Karativa, this is it. And I will of course film her reaction when I give her these items later on, and you guys can see her face and like her excitement and everything. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this to her. Thank you so much, Karativa, for sending me these items, and yeah, I'm just really excited to give them to my mom. So I will see you guys soon in the next clip. Okay, open. There's a card inside. Huh? There's a card inside. Huh? Yeah. No.
Oh. Oh, thank you.
Yes. Open.
Open. Oh. What is this? Oh, look at that. I cannot read.
It says You Are My Sunshine.
Oh, there's no word You Are
Yeah,
My
there is.
It's so small.
It's really small.
I cannot see. I have no glasses.
We can borrow my glasses.
So nice, so nice, so nice.
Okay.
So nice, so nice, so nice. Oh, wow. What's this necklace?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh. What is this? Oh, wow. This is nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah.
I don't know. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Thank you.
So that is it for this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!
Let you deeper than I let anyone else before.